Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a file onto your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your spreadsheet and select the File tab up at the top, and then select Import, and then just drag and drop the file, or if it's already in your drive, you can just select it, and then it will import directly into your Google spreadsheet. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.